Hello everyone and welcome back. In lesson 13, we'll be learning how to convert fractions to decimal in simple steps. It's not rocket science, just put your mind to it and you see it's very easy. You're welcome. So please remember, a fraction can also be written as a decimal. And examples are 1 over 2, which is 0.5. 1 over 4, which is 0.25, which means you're dividing 1 by 2, it gives you 0.5. You divide 1 by 4, it gives you 0.25. And always the method is numerator divide by denominator. Once you divide the denominator by the numerator, you are good to go. Numerator divide by denominator. Our example 1 is 1 divided by 2. That's 1 over 2 gives us 1 divided by 2 and the answer is 0.5. So this is how we got our answer. 1 divided by 2. You put 1 inside, that is, you draw your long division lines, then 1 inside, 2 outside, because 1 is dividing 2. So 2 into 1, it cannot. So you put 0 point at the top. Then you also add 0 to 1 to make it 10. So 2 into 10 gives you how many times? 5. It goes 5 times. So 5 times 2 gives you 10. That's the 10 below. So 10 minus 10 gives you 0. I hope you understand. Our second example is 3 divided by 4. That's 3 over 4 is the same thing as 3 divided by 4. And our answer is 0.75. I'll show us how. So for this example, 3 divided by 4. So 3, you draw your division line, that your long division line, and then you put 3 inside, 4 outside. So 4 into 3, it cannot, because 4 is greater than 3. So you put your 0 point at the top there. So since you added 0 at the top, you have to add 0 to 3 to make it 30. So 4 into 30, it can go 7 times. Can you see that? So we have 0.7 at the top there. So 7 times 4 gives you 28. So you write 28 under 30 there. So 30 minus 28 gives you 2. We are not done yet. So 30 minus 28, as we were saying, is 2. Please don't look at this like it's difficult. It's not difficult. It's just that you like pizza too much. So this is not difficult. Remaining 2. So look at it over there. 4 into 2, you know it cannot. We just add 0. Now that we are adding 0 to the one at the bottom, we are not adding at the top. Do you understand? So 4 into 20 gives us 5. You can see that 0.75 up there. So 5 times 4 is 20. You see that? At the end over there. So 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So now there's no more remainder. We are done with the division. So our answer is 0.75. So example 3 is 7 over 10, which is 7 divided by 10. The answer is 0.1. You can try the long division method. But when you're dividing by 10, you don't need to stress yourself. If the number above 10 is less, just add 0, just 1 0, point that number. Let's say this is 8 over 10. The answer would have been 0.8. If it was 2 over 10, the answer would have been 0.2. Do you understand? Let's just imagine that we take that 0 in 10 and just bring it in front with decimal. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So our example 4, 1 divided by 5, and it is 0.2. So I'll show us how to wrap up for today. Okay, just like I explained earlier for 1 over 2, I think. Okay, now we're doing 1 over 5. So you draw your long division line and then put 1 inside, since 1 is the one dividing 5. So 5 into 1, it cannot. So we put our 0 point at the top there. Then we add 0 to 1 to make it 10. So now 5 into 10 is 2 times. That's why you write 0.2 over there. Do you understand? Then 2 times 5 gives you 10, which you write under the first 10. And then 10 divided by 10 gives you 0. So no more remainder for us to continue with the division. We stop over there. So our answer is 0.2. So I mean 10 minus 10 equals 0, not 10 divided by 10. Sorry about that. So always remember, you divide the numerator by the denominator, no matter how the fraction is. So just divide the numerator by the denominator to get your decimal. That's how to convert fractions to decimal. You've done a great job going through this lesson with me today. I'm so proud of you. So please, if there's anything you don't understand from today's lesson, you can go back, play the video again, watch it over and over until you understand. And if you still don't understand, please put your question in the comment section. Just write it down there and I'll get back to you. See you in our next class, lesson 14. Bye.